Hi, I'm Roanna with Step and Sync Line Dancing with Roanna. I'm so excited to share with you my brand new line dance. It's called Die a Little Bit, a 32 count 4-wall intermediate line dance with 3 restarts, and I am super excited to be dancing this to a brand new song called Die a Little Bit by an up and coming young singer named Amelie Lorraine. Hope you enjoy. Here's the walkthrough of my dance. Your first eight, we made it on the left, 2 heel switches, right heel, left heel, step, flick, step, cross, back, back, step, heel, swivel. Second 8, heel, and step, flick, step, and half, pivot, half. Those are over the left shoulder. Third 8 is going to be a chassé right, 4 turn chassé left, boogie forward, right, wizard left, right, left. Fourth 8, half sweep over the left shoulder, sailor left, behind side cross, half unwind over the left shoulder, sway to the right with your hips, and a sway and a drag. End of dance. All right, here's the full tutorial. Your first eight, you'll start weighted on your left foot. You'll start with 2 heel switches. Right heel, left heel. Then a step, flick, step on the right, flick the left behind you, step on the left. Cross, back, back, right, left, right. Step the left forward, and you're going to do a heel swivel out to the left. Heel swivel and back to center. Let me give you counts. It's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Your second 8, you're going to start with heel switches. You're weighted on the right. You're going to do heel switches with your left first. Left heel, right heel. Step on the left with a flick of the right foot, back on the right. You're going to do a ball change. Half pivot over the left shoulder, step, half pivot over the left shoulder. Let me give you some counts. This is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, half 6, 7, half 8. Those first 2 8s together, I'll give you the words for this. This is going to be heel, switch, step, flick, step, cross, back, back, step, heel, swivel, left side, heel, and step, flick, step, and half, pivot, half, pivot. With the counts, this is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Your third 8, the weight's on your left foot. Your third 8, you're going to do a chassé to the right together, right. You'll do a quarter turn of your left shoulder and do another chassé to the left together, left. Your right foot is going to do a boogie walk, right, left, right. Then you'll do a wizard with your left foot. Left, right, left. The counts on this are 1 and 2, 3 and 4, bogey 5 and 6, wizard 7, 8 and. From the very top, with the words, here we go. It's heel and step, flick, step, cross, back, back, step, heel, swivel. Heel and step, flick, step, and step, half pivot, step, chassé to the right, left, chassé left, boogie forward with a wizard. Let me give you counts. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Chassé 1 and 2, chassé 3 and 4, boogie 5 and 6, wizard 7, 8 and. Your final 8, you're going to start with your weight on the left foot. You're going to step on the right and half turn over the left shoulder with the sweep. So it's going to look like this. 1. You're going to do a sailor left, behind, side, then a weave, right, left, cross. And then you're going to half unwind over the left shoulder, sway out to the right with your hips, sway out to the left, and drag your right foot in. That will be the end of the dance. Let me give you some counts for this. We're weighted on the left. We're going to go 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, unwind 6, hips 7, sway 8. Let me give it to you from the very top. This is heel switch, step, flick, step, cross, back, back, step, heel, swivel, heel, and step, flick, step, and half, pivot, half, chassé right, chassé left with a turn, boogie, and wizard. Half sweep, sailor left, behind side cross, half unwind, sway, and drag. With the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the whole dance. On walls 2, 4, 6, there is going to be a restart after 16 counts. And there's a small variation. And wall 12 is the last wall, and it's also just 16 counts, so you'll do the same variation. So 16 counts, this will be the second 8. The second 8 is 2 heel switches, a step, flick, step, and half pivot. Instead of just a half pivot around, you're going to do a half pivot and a jump back on your 16th count, and then you'll restart. So it will look like this. The wall 2 for your restart wall will look like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, and a restart 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and you continue with wall 3.